Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to this super fun and sporty 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sport S 4x4 that was just recently traded in. Under the hood, you're going to find a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with eTorque that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is shown in that classic black, which pairs beautifully with those beautiful rugged aftermarket wheels and tires that were just put on here. This also has a brand new level kit. It's been fully safetied and inspected and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. We'll just give you a close-up shot. Again, beautiful wheels and tires just put on. You do get that true trail-rated capability with the Jeep 4x4 system. Heading on in, power mirrors, windows, and locks throughout this unit. Storage in the door, great all-weather mats, keeping everything in excellent condition, and these beautiful premium cloth seats throughout. Your front seats are also heated. And your steering wheel is also heated and leather-wrapped. Cruise control on your right, on your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection and audio-mounted controls, fully automatic headlights to the left, and a tilt and telescopic option on the steering wheel. Great articulating vents throughout this unit. The current mileage sits at 47,612 kilometers on this currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. To the right, you have your push-button start. Nice clean dash with some storage up top, and then into your beautiful UCONNECT screen. AM, FM, and satellite capability on here. Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB options for your media. This is also Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto compatible. Dual zone climate control. You do have an app screen giving you easy access to some of the technology. 3 different settings for your heated seats. Your heated steering wheel is accessible through there as well, and then your backup camera. A settings screen and a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. And then of course in reverse you also get the access to the backup camera there. Down below, all of the manual buttons for climate and media, including your auto start stop, traction control, and hill descent control. Down below that you have your power windows and all of your media ports. Nice clean shifting area, top shallow area above, and a deeper space down below in your console. And we'll give you a quick pamper on the passenger side. Everything is truly in excellent condition throughout here. Again, great all-weather mats. Lock-in glove compartment, that's great, so if you have your doors and your roof off, you still have a secure place to keep your goods, and your Freedom hardtop panels. In the back, you have an additional 2 seats, and up top, you have some interior cabin lighting and the the sound system. In the back here, you have lots of space. It folds down, it also folds up if you needed to, and you have some storage space below there as well. You also have little holes there to hold all of your hardware, so if you take your doors and roof off, you won't lose any of that. So overall, as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. If you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.